up, guys? We're back and welcome back, and we're going to the beach. This is my first beach trip of 2025.
You know, the mouse.
What? I didn't order it.
I know who you're talking about.
That looks stupid.
Hurry up! Okay, we made it to the beach. Now we're going to Publix. I have to fix my parking because I parked so to the right. But these spots are big anyway, so it's not even affecting anybody. We're done.
There's parking
Okay,
spots.
never mind. We're just gonna drive to Publix.
Yeah, we know you're an expert.
You filming all of that?
Yo, is this an only one way?
No, it's not.
Alright, so why are you taking up the whole road?
Yeah, so I don't know who's stupid.
What is happening?
Wait, what the heck?
Put your seatbelt okay, right here.
Oh shoot, it's gonna be 8 green.
Watch out.
That means at some point we're about to be here.
No, that's doing it.
Fuck you. You're never getting high five.
Oh wait, I could eat that up.
I could climb.
Don't call me. Don't come by.
Splinter. Master Splinter.
Okay, I didn't know that they sold strawberry pink drinks in Starbucks. You're buying it for me though?
Pinkity jinkity.
Now we're gonna get a subby. Who calls for comfort? Guess I'm really scared right now.
There.
Alien princess from my alien side. No, she's gonna get copyrighted.
No, the best verse is.
Damn it.
Salmon.
We're going to the beach.
Let's go to the beach.
Where is she?
She's staying in the car.
Oh, okay.
I will have fun.
So cook in there.
I can't wait to eat this pop song.
I haven't. What did you say?
Nothing.
Wait, what did you say?
Filming?
No.
Are you filming again?
He said he used the Soraya for her bunions only.
No. You know what I don't like?
Ooh. I don't like onions, but I do love bunions on my girl. She's my world. Ooh. Yes. Thank you for the best egg of my life. Throw it at somebody. Throw it at Morrison. Oh, Landon! The sand flew in my eye. Freaking birds. One right here.
What the fuck?
They're casting a spell on someone.
What?
Oh, look.
Fighting them.
Back up.
Oh,
Guys,
that shit's so flat.
so we're gonna go play volleyball. Yeah.
No, because it was over. You got that!
Going in less stronger. That's what Karina. Yeah, it's you.
You got that.
Perfect, Karina.
You got
I hit it! I got it!
Are you filming again?
You got that. You got that.
That's on video too. I think sand resistant.
No, don't get sand in it.
Go, Mari.
I love this song. What? Why did you skip it?
Keep it real.
Wash my hands now, guys.
Oh, sorry.
You a taste. Oh my god.
Hey.
Chevy.
Oh my God.
Look like the
Karina.
Oh!
Don't do it.
What the fuck?
I'm like panning to
It's
people.
choppy ass video.
Doom, 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 doom. It's like in 2x. Did not have to put any of that.
Stop it, Olivia, you stupid idiot!
We're at the water and Olivia's back is so bad. I have the sandiest cheeks of all.
What's Sandy's last name?
Let's go. We're gonna go in the water.
Mansplaining is basically.
We'll do it like small.
Alright, I'm referee. She's out of breath.
We're gonna play
5 minutes intermission.
we're gonna play soccer.
Keep away. Arena. Basketball, that matters.
I grab her legs.
Oh, I think we need a foul. Foul!
Leg. You filmed that shit?
I did film that shit.
What the heck? The referee's
The referee's good.
take it over again.
The safe word is stop.
Safe word is pineapple.
I don't even know how to play.
Or you can tap me in. Then go in for a hug.
No, we're hugging. Why are you trying to take my friend? I tap Maureen.
Eat it. I ate so much
Yeah, you're a
shit.
chicken cutlet, boy. It's a good guy. Just don't right in. Ah! My top's wet. What the heck? Okay, we're gonna go see if the banana boat thing and like how much
I'm
it
gonna go ride a
is.
banana.
This is good lighting. Okay, commentary. My feet really hurt. Sand is soft. Okay, I don't think we're doing the banana boat thing because there's no point. I look like I'm frying.
What's that?
It's a coconut. But coconut. Guys,
Have to do this.
guys, it's been like how long?
So we went all. See that pink building? That's where we came
Yeah, so
from.
you can't even see it.
My top is gonna fly off. Seems like we have to buy. You do need a wristband, unfortunately. Wait, what? It's free? Oh. Okay, so you do have to have a wristband, but the guy said we could do it for free.
All right,
Okay,
guys, that's
so-
I'm going on this side.
Run, he's running!
What's Sandy's last name? It's been. Get at it. You don't listen.
You don't got a
It's
wristband.
just like Karina. She don't want to listen to nothing.
What? You.
You.
Hey, you don't got a wristband.
He's sabotaging. They won't let him go down the slide, so he's about to ruin
He's
everyone's
poking a hole.
fucking day.
Yeah, fly away,
Scary
boy.
ass. Scary
Scary
ass.
eye, boy.
Scary ass.
Okay, now we're walking back
Sand friend.
just to take a little slide, you know? And we're burning up a storm.
Cause after the storm, when the flowers bloom. And sand.
Excuse me. How did you guys meet?
It's like a piece of sand.
Wait.
Quit touching her butt.
He's the middleman.
I'm not the middleman.
You're the other guy. Watch me do my murder dance. What is it? Sorry, why aren't you watching?
They were like talking to each other. It was so weird.
Who was?
The birds. They're like, ah, gah, gah, and they like started laughing.
Yeah, because they were laughing at you. Okay, we're gonna go to Publix to get some more food because we're gonna try some enthusiasm. It's 5 o'clock and we're gonna stay here till sunset, so we have 2.5 more hours.
Certain light.
I agree. Should I get mango?
$6 for that top.
He does not like the prices.
You don't like no
Publix,
prices.
please fix this.
Jerry's is cheaper.
And Ben and Jerry's is better. Okay, now we're
$2?
going back.
Where's the logic?
Nowhere. Nowhere to be seen. It took us 10 years to extend the time, but
Let me take my
it's
shoes off.
fine.
Schizo.
What the heck? Can you get out my chair, please?
No, I need.
How long have we been together?
This is what I got. A Ben and Jerry's and almond chocolate. I think so. What's mean?
You got poop on your finger. It's not melting. That's why I love it. Highlighted a video.
Did you even get strawberries?
No, I didn't get the strawberries. So I'm not paying $14 for that. So I bought a Mega Giant.
That's why you guys literally went there to buy the strawberries. Karina's eating chocolate shit.
Karina,
right
you could have
now.
bought the strawberries with the stems.
Yeah, but then I have to wash it, I have to cut it.
Literally, no, you didn't.
Literally, yes, I know. Dead fish core. This is how she tans. Chocolate,
much
strawberry, vanilla, flowery. Chocolate, caramel, strawberry. I mean, chocolate, caramel.
Caramel. Hell yeah.
Caramel. Not caramel.
Caramel.
Take it.
Come on,
Doesn't
Paige.
have chocolate in this.
Oh, put it down.
I don't believe brain freezes exist.
You're
Are you serious?
ass.
I've never gotten one.
Yeah, you have.
That's insane.
No, I haven't.
Open up, boy. When was it normalized to hate on people for eating?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh, I'm about You're the one that does that. At lunch last year,
No, because that's disgusting. You're eating dog food.
that is not.
That's worse than
Three
dog.
They had to, like-
full meals. And then Mars about to tell you that they has to go through a process.
It has to go through a process to get verified, so kids eat that.
It's like the bare minimum. You have to have like rotten fruit on our tray for it to be okay.
Do you not see America's food? There's restrictions on that, but we still got cancer and all of them.
But it's not like that's overtime. That's excessive amounts. If you eat
You
fuck-
got excessive amounts.
excessive,
3 times the meals each day.
if yeah, 5
And
times
yeah.
a week.
And-
If you eat like 10
So you
bags.
consume 15 food.
15 foods a day.
I never said that.
It's so nasty.
What is that throw?
Okay.
This is my beach activities. I just come to the beach to watch Slushy Noobs. Hey, don't film me, I'm cheating. Show.
Ew!
He's one. He's running back. Oh, he's running. Yeah, he's running. 'cause
Watching
he's scared.
Slushy
He's
Noob.
scared.
Well, watching
That's
the
fine, dude.
sunset.
I'm with you.
I'm gonna do a time lapse of the sunset.
They can't get our bed.
Let's go for the first hit here. We're gonna get the first contact. I stole this
You're wearing them. You said you needed to on your eyes.
Good little beach day.
It is beautiful.
Oh, they don't know about that.
Still can't
Searching for this motherfucker shoes. You gonna leave your shoes somewhere? Did you go in the water at all?
buried in sand or something.
They were like,
Look around because we were playing with the sand.
there they go. What the fuck? It's under my Fort Mari.
Under my. It was Karina.
Karina.
What?
That shit good.
Alright, one's there and one is somewhere else.
Prank on Rob.
Throw it in the ocean.
Go grab my.
Let's put this in my bag.
Was the prank epic?
Over there,
Oh
Alex.
Jesus. I'm so burnt. Okay, now we're going home.
Yeah.
Okay, rate the beach day.
Just turn it to a,
burnt.
just turn it to a 5.
I think I didn't get burnt enough, and I'm just cold in the beginning.
Yeah, it's the first time we stayed late.
Good day, good day. You haven't seen it happen.
Oh, guys.
My gosh.
No, I swear to God, this is. I swear to God, this
Scariest
only
stuff.
happens to us.
Seriously, that happens
It literally
every
happens
time.
to us.
Oh, why
We're at McDonald's. Like, I don't understand. Like,
I was trying to make me waste my money. I'm trying to buy grad
Like, I'm
pass.
literally trying to save my money. It's just.
They're making me not save my money.
This is so hot in red.
It's definitely hot. Pee with the lapsies. A creek follow us.
Here.
My baby.
Okay, guys, bye.
That